You guys, last week was so hectic. Like literally from Monday to Sunday, I was working like a freak. I had an interview as well. So I was working and studying. I had so much preparation and studying to do. Today is Monday and it's also my sister's birthday. So yeah, that is why we have some decorations and some cakes and some sweets, desserts in the house right now. Anyways, today was a good day. I just had some fun. I relaxed. I started Penthouse season 3 as well. Other than that, I was editing some YouTube videos. I made 2 YouTube thumbnails as well. Both of them were makeup tutorial thumbnails. So I'm super proud of myself for that. Of my goals for today to organize my cupboard. There are some clothes that I have to fold. वो कल से रखे हुए हैं, तो I have to organize those. I have to fold those first. Then I have an event जो 3 दिन का होगा, and I have stalls there. So I have to, like now start kind of like organizing and preparing the stuff for it. So I feel like आज उसके लिए paintings का ही basically मैं करती हूँ, मगर उसके साथ कुछ चीज़ें भी होती हैं, तो I have to, पिछली दफ़ा जब मैंने किया था तो उसकी चीज़ें कुछ थी, तो I'm going to reuse those of course, because उसके लिए मैं already arrange कर चुकी थी. So I have to take all of those out. Bath Sky as well, but he scratches too much. He's scared of the water. He's scared of everything. So yeah, let's just start by folding my clothes first. He is done, and believe me, I almost died because he really hates the showers. I feel super refreshed, and it's just so hard to give him a bath, honestly. Now I'm just going to go and pray, और उसके बाद I'm going to start, like picking up the stuff for my stall, और सारा जो मैंने जिधर भी रखा था पिछले, मेरे से कब था, जून में था मेरा स्टॉल, जून में था या मई के, जून में था आई बिलीव. ओके, सो उसकी तैयारी करना शुरू कर दूँगी मैं. Okay, so today I really want to focus on preparing for the stalls because कल मैंने स्काई को शावर दिला दिया, वरना वो मुझे आज या कल में करना था. So कल उसकी काम नहीं हो पाया preparations का. So I really want to start preparing for the stalls today. It is currently 6:44 PM and 1 घंटे पहले I just finished doing the voiceovers of 2 YouTube videos. एक उसमें से vlog था और एक जो है makeup tutorial था. So I'm really proud कि वो 2 हो गई, because वॉइस ओवर एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो पूरी वीडियो एडिट करने के बाद होता है ना, तो इसलिए मुझे था कि बस ये हो जाए ताकि मेरी वो 2 वीडियोस भी अपलोड हो सकें. सो आई डिड दैट. देन मैं थोड़ा सा यूट्यूब देखने लगी थी फॉर सम इंफॉर्मेशनल वीडियोस. नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गो हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू गेट डिहाइड्रेटेड. इवन दो सुबह में इतने थंडर्स हुए हैं, इतनी बारिश हुई है, बट स्टिल आई फील लाइक मौसम थोड़ा सा अजीब सा हो गया अभी. Anyways, I'm just going to go have a glass of water and you guys go and have some water as well. Don't get dehydrated. Then I'm going to do some face rolling, ice rolling basically. On the preparations, I am starting off with jewelry. So how this works is that in my previous stall I made some investment and I purchased some jewelry pieces. Other than that, what I do is the jewelry pieces that I have purchased for myself but have never worn, or अब वो मुझे नहीं अच्छे लगते, मतलब मेरा दिल नहीं करता उन्हें पहनने पे, या just they are just not my go-to pick up investment accessories in my stall. Also for the thrifting part, what I do is the accessories that I have worn like once or twice, those are on sale with the title of thrifting on my stall. So you know, like I put those as well. Some of the pieces are in here, plus the new pieces that I purchased are all in here. ठीक है, जो इसमें मैंने सारे रखे हैं ना, वो सारे new pieces हैं. Pieces that I have worn once or twice will also go up. So that is how I do the accessory part. Plus I do phone cases, books, paintings, sketches and canvases, stuff like keychains and cute stuff, some makeup products, some skincare maybe sometimes. The main focus is the paintings. Last time everybody loved the accessories as well. Paintings were sold as well, but people loved the accessories and books as well. So that is the goal for this time as well. So let's see what everybody say and how they react. Last time I got a really good response. People really appreciated my artwork. Okay, so after finishing the preparations for the stall, थोड़ी बहुत बाकी है अभी भी. What I did was just finish the editing of one YouTube video. उस पर मैंने सब कुछ काम कर लिया है. Now it is in my YouTube drafts. Lastly, now what I'm going to do is just have a cup of cold coffee. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.